You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing names from literature, more English vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. English pronunciation, both British and American English, are slightly similar. I'll detail both. Tom Sawyer, that's your British English pronunciation, but considering his American, maybe you want to consider the American pronunciation. Tom Sawyer, Tom Sawyer, or Tom Sawyer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.